Good afternoon, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for September 5th, 2023. It is 2:15 and the SPX is down about 0.3% to 45.02. It's been a very quiet session here thus far. Great if you're a credit spread trader, not so great if you're a butterfly trader, as you are a little bit more dependent, or rather a lot more dependent on that volatility expansion, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. So we stated in our morning note here this morning, if conditions are mixed, if we're seeing mixed signals, probably going to be a short vol type of day. So preferring credit spreads, more market neutral strategies on the short vol side of things. And that's exactly what we got here. Actually, it's been mixed all day, straight from the open. So just looking at market internals, we have positive volume on NASDAQ, negative volume on NYSE. Breadth is quite weak here, ADD at negative 1400, but we are seeing growth outperforming all sectors, and so growth in green, red, traditional cyclicals, and defensive. So when we see growth outperform, it definitely keeps the market somewhat elevated. Now, the reason the upside is limited today is due to the breadth. So everything else is selling off, with the exception of really the mega caps, which are keeping markets elevated here. We had a couple setups here today that worked out quite well. Short setup, basically right at the open, so call credit spread. A dip buy scenario here right off the big flip. This is a high probability setup. Also DSS cycle low. That played out. We had another one here to go short, and well, that has played out as well. And we just had another setup right here. Not quite a double bottom, but pretty close. Same support, 4,500, 4,495. And consensus here today among our traders is that 4,595 flip level holds. So it's really a break of that handle would be viewed as a bearish indication, but there needs to be a reason to push below that level. There needs to be a reason to go negative gamma. And quite frankly, there's just no catalyst. So we do have a bit of a bullish tilt here to things. And we just hit our pin target here. Now, as far as pinning goes, we favored 45.05 today. This is our pin low scenario. I'm not in the trade. There just hasn't been any attractive opportunities to really get in, because we really haven't moved more than 0.2% in either direction. But point is here, the credit spreads have played out. You know, there's really no premium left now that we're coming into the last, hour and a half into the market. But as far as butterfly goes, we are expecting a pin here, 45.05. At least that's our trade idea. But we also see that confirmed here via options volume. So this is 0DTE options volume for today. And we're seeing the max call strike at 45.10 and the max put strike at 4,500, which puts us right in the middle. And that's our PL idea. Now, is there upside potential here? Yes. If volatility contracts, which vol has most certainly contracted here from the open, but if we start to see this really accelerate on the downside, it will provide some support for the market and could be a bit of a tailwind. As far as the downside goes, a break of the flip is that bearish indication, but we just don't see that happening here today. So overall, quiet session. Great if you're a credit spread trader, not so great if you're a butterfly trader. I think this goes to show the importance of not being one-dimensional, right? Not someone who only trades butterflies or someone who only trades credits, but rather selecting the right strategy for the market environment, or at least recognizing when the market is not suitable for your strategy, and perhaps holding off and waiting for better opportunities. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys here. We'll see where the market closes. Hoping for a 45.05 pin. I don't have exposure, but perhaps I'll pick it up here. We'll see. Best of luck today, guys.